Wait, don't skip this video. If you are playing Garden Horizons, you could be missing free rewards, exclusive items, and bonus gifts right now. Because in this video, I'm going to reveal all the newest working codes for 2026 that you can redeem inside the game. These codes are giving free rewards, free items, and exclusive bonuses, and many players still don't know about them. So, make sure you don't skip and watch until the end, because some of the best codes are coming later in the video. Alright guys, right now we are inside Garden Horizons. In today's video, I'm going to show you all the newest working codes that you can redeem in 2026. The game has just been released, and there are already a lot of amazing codes available to claim. I also have a big list of working codes, so make sure you watch the entire video so you don't miss any free rewards. But before we jump into the codes, I'm starting this video with a special giveaway. You guys can win anything from the shop. To enter the giveaway, all you need to do is, like this video, subscribe to the channel. Comment your Roblox username below. Tell me what item you want. If you win, I will gift it to you. I currently have over 4 million Robux ready for giveaways, so make sure you join if you don't want to miss your chance. Alright guys, now let's redeem the codes. If you don't know how to redeem codes in Garden Horizons, here's what you need to do. Go to the top left corner. Click the settings button. Scroll down. Find the code box. Enter the codes one by one. Remember, the codes are in random order, so make sure you try every single one. Now let's get into all the working codes right now.